Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland. We are here at the 2023 Cleveland Arts Prize Soiree, and we are here with Lifetime Achievement winner, Janet Macoska. Congratulations!
Yay! It's like SpongeBob. I've never been a Lifetime Achievement. Okay, yeah, right.
I know. Doesn't it kind of blow your mind? I mean, congratulations on just literally your career when you think about it. And when you look at it, it's so cool because you can look back at all the work you've done.
Because I've documented everything, right? Right, yeah.
Is there someone that has influenced you? Has there been, thinking back to when you first got started, what kind of kicked you off?
Well, really early, it was my mom's Life magazines. I was a little kid and I was looking at Life magazines, which was all about photojournalism. I mean, those photographers spent weeks with a subject and really showed behind the scenes. And when the Beatles came to America, I thought, well, it's music and I love these guys, but I want to tell stories, like especially in music, that get behind the scenes and tell you why somebody's famous, why you're paying attention to them, what is it that resonates with you.
And that all comes through in the photo. If you do your research and you know who you're talking to. This also comes with a nice cash prize.
Thank you. Yes, it does.
Any idea where that's going to go, or is it just for life expenses, or?
Yeah, I've been nursing my iMac, my desktop, for, I don't know how long. And it's a little fussy and cranky, so I'm waiting till October, which I think is when the new iMacs come out. And I gotta get a machine to put those photos in, and it's part of what we need to do here in modern America.
Right.
Yeah.
You can't do it without that kind of equipment and technology. Is the acknowledgement, the stamp of approval, what does it do in rock and roll? Because you've already got that kind of credibility. People know you. They can see your work. I mean, do you think this opens any doors? I don't know. I mean, you've already cracked through all those doors. You've broken down the walls.
Well, yeah, and not just in rock and roll. I was Cleveland Indians photographer for 11 years, the first woman to go on the field and have baseballs thrown at her head and fun things like that as I taught those ball players their manners. But so is the question, what more can I do? Well, you never know until you wake up the next morning, and then all kinds of opportunities show up.
Right.
But I'm always looking for the next challenge, and I'm not afraid of the next challenge.
No, you're not. You're fearless, and you've found yourself in some really, really interesting places, and you've come back with the evidence, and we love that about you. Thank you so much, and congratulations, Janet.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland at the 2023 Cleveland Arts Prize.